Colombia. Muy frío, bro. Spinning at 60 miles an hour, that's freaking insane.
We said the video was over, but it's a little longer now.
Who knows, I might put this in a different video. That's clip bonus shit. Depending how long the video is. If the video's already 20 minutes long, I'm not putting it on a different video. Yo, I'm spinning like 50 miles an hour. That's crazy. Yo, man, this shit with the upgraded turbo. Spinning like crazy, bro.
Somebody pulled over. He busy. We just gotta get
distance.
Yeah.
Wasn't give him a ticket, but he's after me, bro. Yo, I heard it popping over there, dog.
Nah, that shit, quiet mode, man. I don't know what you're talking about. That nigga, that was not me.
Well, the guy's probably like the ones getting the ticket. He's like, yo, you pulled me over, bro. He's like, yeah, yo, that nigga, go get him. Yo, get the ticket. Bro.
He's like, it's too late. I can't grab that nigga. He go.
Nobody behind with the lights. There's some distance from that. Running from the cop, man. Running from the Mexico cop, man. Running from Mexico. What you see?
That's alright, look, that's it.
That's literally enough distance. He's gonna have to go like 130 to get there.
My officer, why were you speeding? I got scared.
Driving like freaking maniacs, cutting up and shit. That's crazy. You see how many videos you see people in New York cutting up?
Yeah, I seen.
And they come to Jersey City, we driving like that. Look, like this. Literally, look. He's driving the speed limit. He's scared. Look, like he see me trying to cut his ass. Like, look, he knows I'm coming for that ass. Look, he about to make that right. right. You making that right, dog? You know, so predictable. Look at this truck. I don't know what you're doing, dog. You got the lights off, man. You chilling. It's like, yo, better with the lights off.
That shit feels nice. This car.
Feel way better now. You're like, I feel everything now, bro. Y'all owe me gas money, by the way. Yo, dead ass. I went from having only had 2 bars out. That was full, except for 2 bars. This shit's gone. Almost 2 bars left. It had 160 miles or 50 miles, something like that, on the tank. I only got 68 now. So all these damn pools, bro. Almost 100 miles.
That's it.
Y'all owe me money, bro.
Y'all need to like these videos.
Yeah, I'll put my Cash App under the in the video description. Send me some money, bro. Send me some Zelle money.
What was that in the road?
Yo, there's an NJ Transit bus driver that shot somebody.
Oh yeah, I seen that.
They were kicking him and shit.
No, yeah.
And he got up and pulled up and shot the kid. He killed him or he just hit him?
I don't know.
I think he just hit him. I don't think he killed him.
I just saw him shoot.
No, they were kicking him.
No, I saw them beat him up, but where it ended is after he shot it. I didn't even